Due dates, expiration dates, PIR calculations, and compliance with performance standards all depend on proper setup. Health and education setup includes so many working parts that we're breaking it up into 2 videos, events and requirements. I'm Jay Wyatt, and I'm going to walk you through setup for health and education events. Click on Setup, followed by Module Setup, and select Health and Education Events. This window includes a list of event types used to track services in the health and education modules. Many of these items came with the software, and others were created by someone at your agency. We recommend reviewing this list annually to determine if changes are needed. Use this field to decide where the event should appear: education only, health only, or both. If your event will include sub-events or calculations for heights and weights, check the appropriate box. Physicals and dental exams are updated regularly. This means you will want to track expiration dates. You can eliminate the possibility of human error by entering a validation period here. ChildPlus will use that number to automatically calculate expiration dates. To the right is a set of checkboxes. You'll notice that each one is connected to the PIR. Review the list and determine which events should be counted towards the question on the PIR. Failing to connect items to these PIR questions, or connecting too many items, can have a serious impact on your PIR calculations. There are so many fields that determining what data to put where can be tricky. Use this section to select which fields should be available for each event type. This is a great way to prevent data from being entered in the wrong fields. Let me warn you, 2 of these options can affect the ability to track PIR data. Needs is a section that contains checkboxes used to track participants that require treatment, follow-up services, referrals, and evaluations. Leave this box checked for screenings and exams. Highlight your dental exam event type and check this box to track the preventative dental care. If you're worried about staff overlooking the field, default it checked. ChildPlus will automatically check it when adding the event. Event statuses help you determine the outcome of each event. Examples include pass, fail, and complete. Statuses can also determine if an event can count as a met requirement. Help staff select the correct status by customizing your list for each event type. Proper setup produces clean data. Be on the lookout for tomorrow's ChildPlus Checkup video, where you'll get part 2 of health and education.